Is building wealth through real estate on your mind? Maybe you're picturing yourself as a landlord, collecting rent checks, or perhaps you're eyeing that fixer-upper with massive profit potential. Whatever your vision, the crucial first step often boils down to one key question: how are you going to finance it? For many aspiring and seasoned real estate investors, the search for the right lending partner is paramount. You need someone who understands the nuances of investment properties, someone who isn't just looking at your personal residence, but at the potential of the asset itself. And that naturally leads us to a name you might have encountered in your search for mortgage solutions: LoanDepot. LoanDepot is a significant player in the mortgage lending landscape. You've probably seen their ads, maybe even considered them for your own home purchase or refinance. But when it comes to the specific world of investment properties, the question becomes, does LoanDepot offer loans tailored to these unique needs? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the loan options LoanDepot presents for investment properties, dissect the types of loans they might offer, and ultimately help you determine if they could be the right partner to fuel your real estate investment ambitions. Now, before we get into the specifics, it's important to understand that the world of investment property financing is a little different from securing a mortgage for your primary residence. Lenders often view investment properties as carrying a different risk profile. Why? Well, these properties aren't owner-occupied. This means vacancy rates, property management costs, and the overall economic climate can have a more direct impact on the borrower's ability to repay the loan. Because of this perceived higher risk, the terms and conditions for investment property loans can sometimes differ from those for traditional mortgages. You might encounter slightly higher interest rates, stricter down payment requirements, or different underwriting criteria. This isn't to scare you away, but rather to set the stage and highlight why finding a lender experienced in investment property financing is so crucial. So, let's bring LoanDepot back into the picture. To answer our core question directly, yes, LoanDepot does offer loan products that can be used for investment properties. However, like any large lending institution, the specific types of loans available and the terms associated with them can vary. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. One of the primary ways LoanDepot facilitates investment property purchases is through their conventional mortgage offerings. While often associated with primary residences, conventional mortgages can indeed be used for investment properties. However, expect stricter underwriting guidelines compared to owner-occupied homes. This typically translates to a higher credit score requirement, a larger down payment, often 20% or more, and potentially lower debt-to-income ratios. LoanDepot, being a large lender, has access to various sources of funding for these conventional loans, including Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. While these government-sponsored enterprises, GCs, primarily deal with owner-occupied properties, they do have programs that allow for investment property financing, albeit with specific limitations on the number of properties a borrower can finance and potentially different loan-to-value ratios. Beyond conventional mortgages, it's worth considering if LoanDepot offers other loan products that might be particularly attractive to real estate investors. For instance, some lenders specialize in products like DSCR loans, debt service coverage ratio loans, fixer-upper loans, e.g., FHA 203K, or renovation loans, portfolio loans, commercial loans. To get a truly accurate picture of what LoanDepot offers for investment properties, the best course of action is always to directly engage with their loan officers or explore their dedicated investment property loan sections on their website, if available. Their website is a great starting point to get a general overview of their offerings. Look for sections specifically mentioning investment properties, rental properties, or commercial real estate. When you do connect with a loan officer, be prepared to provide detailed information about the property you're looking to finance, your financial situation, and your investment goals. The more information you can provide upfront, the better they can assess your needs and recommend the most suitable loan products. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification on anything you don't fully understand. Buying an investment property is a significant financial decision, and you want to ensure you're making informed choices. Beyond directly contacting LoanDepot, it's always a good practice to shop around and compare offers from multiple lenders. Different lenders may have different specialties, interest rates, fees, and underwriting guidelines for investment properties. Getting quotes from several sources will give you a better understanding of the market and help you secure the most favorable terms for your investment. Consider exploring local credit unions and smaller, regional banks in addition to larger national lenders like LoanDepot. These institutions may have a better understanding of your local market and might offer more tailored solutions for investment properties in your area. Online mortgage marketplaces can also be valuable tools for comparing rates and terms from various lenders simultaneously. Remember, the ideal loan for your investment property will depend on a variety of factors, including your financial situation, your investment strategy, the type of property you're purchasing, and your long-term goals. Take the time to thoroughly research your options and find a lending partner who aligns with your specific needs. While LoanDepot is a reputable lender with a wide range of mortgage products, their offerings for investment properties may not be as specialized as some lenders who focus solely on this segment of the market. However, their conventional mortgage options can certainly be a viable route for many investors, provided they meet the stricter qualification criteria. Their commercial lending division also opens doors for larger investment ventures. Ultimately, the answer to whether LoanDepot is the right choice for your investment property loan depends on your individual circumstances and their current offerings. Diligent research and direct communication with their loan officers are key to making an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.